Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. We are yet here welcoming you to another interesting hairstyling video tutorial. Aren't you excited for seeing so many beautiful hairstyles that is going to suit you as well as your lovely, pretty, cute daughters? Let's see what binge is there in store for us. So we are making these patterns like this, pleats like this with the help of lovely colorful ribbons. Just make the patterns and the end result is right here. Again we are making a ponytail, and then by taking a small section of the hair, just make the pleats out of it and make beautiful lovely patterns with the help of decorative rubber bands, and this is looking really amazing. Proceeding further in the video, just make the side pleats like this and making some beautiful colorful patterns like this. You will just amaze looking at yourself. Again, just take a colorful ribbon like this and make some pleats using this by crisscrossing, and you will get a beautiful neat pleat of hair. Now let's see, proceeding further, what are we there in next for you. Just take a beautiful accessory of hair like this and do it like this again by folding it from the bottom to the top. Fold and roll the hair like this, get it into a circular motion and then hold it with the help of your clutches, and this is looking really beautiful. What next we are having? Just make a beautiful pattern of hair like this. Make the beautiful clean pleats on both the sides of the hair. Fold it into like this into a circular bun, and here's your result. Proceeding further, we have another interesting hairstyle that will please to your mind, and it will really look eye amazing. Icing, isn't it looking very nice? Definitely it is, and you should definitely gonna try all these at your home and make yourself party ready. And these end results of the hair are pretty amazing. Again, we are with the help of a rubber band, we are making crisscross patterns in the hair and then securing it with the help of the ribbon only. And this beautiful pattern of pleats, these French braids are really amazing, and it is going to shine you out. And this is pretty amazing, isn't it? Just interlocking with the help of your hairband ribbon, and this is all done. Again, you can just make knots like this, a ribbon like this, and it is looking pretty amazing. Proceeding further, we have another interesting hairstyle, a bun like this, taking the extra hair out like this and securing it with the help of your lovely decorative clutches or rubber band, you can say, and it is pretty amazing. This is going to decorate you and make you look stand out from the crowd. Isn't it looking amazing?